All of this is, and the next few episodes are going to be just exploratory, just to explore everywhere to get gilded falcons, health, and whatnot. There will be a point to this specific. We are going, or I am going, to show you the casino. There's only 3 real games and we can get booted out of all 3. See, if we did not get that casino pass from there, that backroom pass, we would have been locked off from that casino altogether and subsequently locked off from getting all those treasures. But where am I going? I think I'm going this way. Ah, yes, there we are. Into the back rooms we go. Got the roulette tables. Monster shooting. And arena. Buff young man didn't come out right. Smells like beer. Anyway, go for the door. Oh, thank you. Ah! It's not really a battle thing. Think of it more in terms of whack-a-mole. Which can get really annoying. Yeah, this one can get really annoying. It's just basically map whack-a-mole. It's going to take a lot of concentration, this one. Unlike the roulette one, which I could easily just save state it. Miss the first 2, 3 slides. 18 points. And you see, the problem is, I'm getting damaged as well. So, this is, as I said, it's just an annoying game of whack-a-mole. But, if you don't lose your head, you can do it easy. Points is our highest. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want you to see what it looks like when I get banned, because your picture shows up in that little square down there. You won't be saying that when you give me all my gilder back. This is actually meant to be the easiest one. Oh, gambling away at the casino. Damn it. Points. Oh. Here we go again. Oh. Points. It feels like I'm doing a lot more than just 21. Let's try this again. Hardened Gilder on the line for 2 extra slimes. I'm dead. Oh. they don't take death into consideration in this tournament. Yeah. I don't care if you die in this tournament. And it's like sometimes when you think it's gonna hit and it doesn't hit. Like that should have hit something there. And you can only use your sword, you can't use your flail. But now we are going to save state when we get to each round. Actually, no, we're not. Not since we've lost our Wonder Essence, and I can't be arsed finding one or buying one. You can get a good run. That should have hit both of them like that did. This is a good run. Actually, yes, we are going to, because I want this. Let's do this. Who cares about the audio? Actually, you know what? Yes. I only lost last time because of dying. Oh great, you beat the goal number. And no, back away. Here we go. Round 3, baby! And hopefully we do not die this time. No, we are not losing here. See, this gets increasingly difficult. As you saw in that first time on round 3, I managed to get killed by the slimes. Round 4. Hang on a minute. I've decided to pause during, because it's not really interesting to watch me press the back button to watch me One away. Oh. This is where it becomes a pain in the backside. Because imagine, you do this, you fail, and now you've got to start all over again from the beginning. Oh. Because I do kind of get past these things. The spawning and that. Let's do this. So close yet so far. Let's go again. Round 5. Go! How much? 26, not good enough. 30 on this one. On this one. Right. Sure you've seen that. I think that some of these attacks, yeah, I'm not getting that. You would think some of these attacks would have a wider swinging arc. Ah, 29 again. Ah, sure, you're already on the screen. Let's go. At least we got 4 of it. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, damn it, 28. 28. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And we get a life vessel. That's technically how it works. You do the first half, you get the life vessel. And now, you do it again. Right, let's do this again. And this, you've basically got to do each thing twice. And that's where it becomes a bit of a pain. You get a lot of gilder from it, but not too much. Oh, 21 points. And we're doing it again. Plenty of see, the issue is my brain is thinking, ooh, move now when there's one right in front of me, when I could easily just swing my sword and get that one in front of me, which would make it a lot easier. As you saw there, I can only get 20 points because this game is rigged. Oh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And save stated. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Another go around, baby. Yes, please. 26 slimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, nope. I just need a quick save, quick load button up here. On 3, let's go. 1. Miss. 2. 3. Yeah, I'm not getting this time. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, definitely not. See, this is where this game becomes tedious, because you've got to do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, yeah, no chance. Spend half my life gambling in this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, there we go, 27, 28. Your winnings are 120. And have another go round, baby. Yes. Round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Damn it. Go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, no. That was actually down to an itchy nose, which even now I have still got. Oh. Alright, let's do this. Never a good sign if you miss them at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, let's do this. Believe it or not, with controller in hand, I could do this first time. I can't really explain why. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. No. Alright, let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Nope. See, this is, as I said, this is where this gets hard. I'm getting a bit flustered, but still, let's do this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, no. Once you start missing a few, that's it then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Not again. Oh yeah, you gotta go through 3 times. Oh no. Gotta go through a 3rd time. I'm gonna go through silence. Round 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, this. Right here. Hang on a minute. There we go. I forgot to turn up when. Can't say I miss doing this. Yeah, hang on a minute. As I said, now I'm going to keep a track of the save state screen. I'm not going to put it in recordings if I can help it, because it just has no real place in the recordings. And yeah, I get faster, it's just getting back into it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Damn it. After this, I think I'll just... Actually, no, I want to get it on video of me actually getting banned from one casino. Because the roulette one is easy to choose. Because as I said, you just save state and then you just choose the thing and it's easy to do. I've got this one. 25. Yay! Well, yeah. Yes, I do. No. $25, yay! Well, baby, I do. We're doing actually quite well in this round. Well, we was until I failed that one. I say, and I still win. Well, yes, let's do this. See, this ain't that bad. 20, oh god, I thought that was 30. Go on. Last round, hopefully. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 even. Just be calm, we can do this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, not yet. Just be calm. Just remember, stay calm. As long as I can always hit 2 at once of them, then we're fine. Or minimum 4 on a run like that. I know a bunch of you are probably thinking, why not just do this thing? Why put us through all this pain? I won't call it pain. It's just... Damn it, I missed. 31 points. Take that, and I'm banning you from ever playing this game again. Now. It's me. It's me. I'm banned. And that's that game. Whack a slime. Let's just... Ah, yeah, ruler. Yeah. That one will be really easy. Just save state. Yeah. That's basically how the games are played. So, hang on a minute.